When I press the button here, it will send a request to the server. The server will send a response. And now it is ready. We put our phone on top. If we take our phone off, it'll yell at us. The alarm is now going off. And what we can do is we can press the sleep/snooze button here to silence the alarm. Now after the 2 minutes is up, this will happen. The alarm will sound again. And so this time we actually want to get out of bed. So we will press the snooze button to turn off the alarm and simply walk and get out of bed past the alarm.